Hello guys, I'm Bilawal Akash Khan. Today my video tutorial is about Wampserver, that how to download and install a Wampserver correctly. So let's go. Go for the Google, just type Wampserver. Go to the website, select your system beds. If you have 64, download this, and if you have 32, download this. So I have already downloaded, so go for the direct installation. This is my Wampserver. For a yes, accept the agreement. Give it the path if you want to install it in a different place. You can check this out here. I will download it and see. But if you have a large project, then download it somewhere else, that if your system crash, then you cannot lose your data. Next, I will create a shortcut on this top. So let's try. It will take a couple of minutes to install. Wampserver is actually your local host database that you can put your data locally. You can connect it with Dreamviewer or any content manager system also. Open. Local host, finish, and launch Wampserver now. Finish. Yes. If you want to launch, if your user can't control on a pub, allow it. Yes. It's now readying. When it's green, then it's become running. It's Wampserver is running now. Congratulations, you install your Wampserver. Here you can stop all the server, restart all the server, and if you want to check it, then go to the local host. If everything is okay, then it's mean your Wamp is working correctly. Oh, my Maxstone is open. You can you can check it on Google Chrome. It will be easy, and it will take a little time. Local host. You can also come here, just type localhost in Google Chrome. You can check it. Yes, your Wampserver is ready and it's working properly. Next time have a lot of problems. Okay guys, thank you for watching this tutorial.